Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Auth Consulting. If you're into Apple device management with Intune, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up enrollment time grouping in your Automated Device Enrollment, or ADE, profile/policy. This is a really neat feature, so stick around till the end because I'll also share a pro tip that could save you a lot of troubleshooting time. Let's navigate to the ADE token. Click on Devices. Then under Device Onboarding, click Enrollment, then click Apple, then click Enrollment Program Token, and select your token. Now, here's something important to know. Enrollment time grouping is currently available only for visionOS and tvOS profile/policy. So for this video, we're going to create a tvOS profile/policy. Click Enrollment Policies, click the Create button, and click tvOS. Enter a name and description for your tvOS profile/policy, then click Next. This is the brand new feature that Intune has recently added, and honestly, it's a game changer for automated device enrollments. Here, you need to add a security group. After a device gets enrolled using this profile/policy, it will automatically be added to this security group. No manual work needed. Now, you might be thinking, hey, this sounds just like a dynamic group. And yeah, it is similar in concept. But here's the key difference and why this actually matters. Dynamic groups are an Intra functionality, and Intra can sometimes show latency. What that means is a device may not show up in a dynamic group immediately after enrollment, which could delay policy delivery right at that critical post-enrollment window. But with enrollment time grouping, Intune itself adds the device directly into a static group right at the moment of enrollment. And that's exactly where the name comes from, enrollment time group, because the device is added to the group at the time of enrollment. No waiting, no latency, no delays in policy delivery. Pretty neat, right? Now, I don't have a security group ready, so let's create one together. Click Groups, then click New Group. And here's where a lot of people get tripped up, so pay close attention. Enrollment time grouping has a very specific configuration, and if you miss any of these three requirements, the security group simply cannot be added to your ADE profile/policy. Let me walk you through all three. Number one, it must be a security group, not a Microsoft 365 group. Number two, the group must be a static group. Dynamic groups will not work here. Number three, the group must have a specific owner, Intune Provisioning Client. Enter a group name and description that you like. Then, to add the owner, click on No Owner Selected. Now, heads up, when you see the list of owners, you won't see the Intune Provisioning Client listed. Just start typing it out, and it will appear automatically. Quick side note, and this is the pro tip I promised. If you don't see the Intune Provisioning Client even after typing, check out my other video where I cover exactly how to get it set up. I'll drop a link in the description below. Once you see the Intune Provisioning Client, select it and save the group. Now let's head back to creating the tvOS profile/policy. Enter your name and description. Click Next, and now select the device group we just created. Click Next and configure the remaining settings as per your needs. This is your standard ADE profile/policy setup. Click Next, then review and save the profile/policy. And here's a bonus tip before we wrap up. If you've already created a profile/policy without enrollment time grouping, don't worry. You can always edit the existing profile/policy and attach the enrollment time grouping to it. No need to start from scratch. That's it for this video. I hope this saved you time and cleared up the confusion around enrollment time grouping. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a video from Modern Auth Enrollment. I post regularly on Intune for Apple device management topics. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. See you in the next video.